YouTube. This your boy, Tone, coming back at y'all one more again with another great video on Chevys R Us, YouTube. Y'all know what time it is, man. We out here in the garage and ain't nothing nobody can do about it, YouTube. But we ain't gonna be working on no car today. I just wanna take a minute out my day, man. I wanna wish everybody a great Juneteenth holiday, man. Have a great Juneteenth holiday today. Today is a very important day, not only for African Americans, but for everybody in the whole world. You got to think about it. If the shoe was on the other foot, or if they had another race enslaved, it don't matter. That don't make it right. We are all God's people. We are God's masterpiece, YouTube. And for that purpose, I want to wish everybody a great Juneteenth holiday. June 19, 1865. And they freed all the slaves. The proclamation of, did I really say that? The Proclamation of Emancipation, YouTube. I just found out what Juneteenth was about 3 years ago. Do your research, people. Know your history. And oh, don't forget, YouTube, if you like old school Chevys, you like LS swaps, there it is right there. Working on a 72 convertible Impala. Like learning how to do LS swaps. If you like learning how to work on old school cars. Even if you just like looking at some nice, clean, old school cars, YouTube, go ahead, hit that like button. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Make sure you turn your notification bell on. Make sure you go ahead and like. Drop me a comment in the comment section. Chevys R Us. Y'all have a blessed day. YouTube.